Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix notifications not working on YouTube and iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, the first solution is enable notifications from your system settings. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on notifications here, scroll down and find YouTube. So here is the YouTube, tap on it. So guys, simply enable all the options here like lock screen, notification center, banners and badges and everything here. So after enabling this, so guys, the next solution is, if you have enabled do not disturb mode on your iPhone, so turn off do not disturb mode. So for this, open control center, tap here and tap to turn this off. So after this, so guys, the next solution is turn on so the next solution is update your YouTube app. So for the update, open App Store. So here is search YouTube here, YouTube. So check for update. Sorry for slow internet. So guys, if you haven't updated your YouTube app, so update your YouTube to the latest version. So tap on update here. So guys, after updating your YouTube app, so the next solution is enable background app refresh for only YouTube. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on background app refresh and find YouTube here. So here is the YouTube, tap to turn this on. After turning on, so guys, the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS. So for this, open settings, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, check for update. So guys, if you have available any latest iOS update, so update your iPhone to the latest version. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.